firehousesubs.com. Firehouse Subs, founded by firemen.
Nathan here with another fantastic announcement from Zero Res. As you know, the holidays are upon us, which means lots of parties and events. Zero Res didn't want to be left out, so we are throwing a party ourselves. We are announcing the grand opening of our new facility in Gilbert for Tuesday, the 29th of October, and we want you to be a part of this event. Go to the website for details, zeroresPhoenix.com. There will be lots of giveaways, plus tours of the facility. That way you can see how this magic water is made. Some of your favorite radio stations talking about good food, lots of...
Beans and a hint of spice. Stop in today and get a small for just $2.29, but only for a limited time. Price and participation may vary. I'm loving it.
Hi guys, it's the Shan Man, and I want to tell you guys about something that bugs me. Trash on the side of the highway. Let's do something about it and put an end to highway littering by keeping your trash in...
Geico presents a man who just saved on his motorcycle insurance. Name's Mark, and this here measly hog is Princess. Easy, Princess. Slow roll. So how does this chopper cowboy save on motorcycle insurance, you ask?